Ever wondered what connects a bustling marketing agency, a solo software developer, a high-energy event planner, and maybe even your favorite food blogger? The answer might surprise you. A deceptively simple yet incredibly versatile tool called Trello. Think about it. In today's fast-paced world, juggling tasks, deadlines, and team collaborations can feel like trying to conduct an orchestra with only one baton. Projects get complex, communication lines can get tangled, and staying on top of everything often feels like a superpower reserved for the select few. But what if I told you there's a digital workspace that brings order to the chaos? A visual hub that empowers teams of all sizes and across countless industries to work smarter, not harder. That's where Trello steps into the spotlight. You've probably seen its colorful boards, lists, and cards floating around the internet, maybe even used it yourself for personal to-do lists or planning a vacation. But its power extends far beyond simple task management. It's a dynamic platform adopted by a diverse range of businesses, each leveraging its flexibility to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately, achieve their unique goals. So, the real question isn't just what is Trello, but rather who is using Trello to power their success. Let's dive into the fascinating world of businesses that have embraced this visual project management tool and explore the myriad ways they're making it work for them. First up, let's talk about the creative powerhouses, marketing and advertising agencies. In this dynamic industry, juggling multiple client campaigns, tight deadlines, and a constant stream of creative assets is the norm. Trello provides these agencies with a centralized platform to manage every stage of a campaign, from initial brainstorming and content creation to client approvals and performance tracking. Imagine a board dedicated to a specific client, with lists representing different stages like content ideas, drafting, review, scheduled, and published. Each card can hold crucial information like creative briefs, assigned team members, due dates, feedback, and attached files. This visual overview ensures everyone is on the same page, deadlines are met, and the creative flow remains, well, creative. Think about social media management, a core function for many agencies. Trello boards can be set up to plan weekly or monthly content calendars, track the status of posts across different platforms, and manage engagement. Or consider video production. A Trello board can map out the entire process, from scripting and storyboarding to filming, editing, and final delivery. The collaborative nature of Trello allows copywriters, designers, videographers, and account managers to seamlessly work together, leaving comments, attaching files, and updating progress in real time. Moving from the realm of creativity to the world of code, we find software development teams relying heavily on Trello's agile capabilities. In the iterative and collaborative environment of software development, clear communication and efficient task management are paramount. Trello boards can be customized to mirror agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. Lists can represent sprints, user stories, or bug fixes, while cards detail specific tasks with assigned developers, estimated effort, and progress status. Features like labels and color coding can be used to prioritize tasks or categorize them by feature, urgency, or type. The ability to attach technical specifications, design mockups, and even links to code repositories directly to cards makes Trello a central hub for all project-related information. Furthermore, Trello's integration with other developer tools like GitHub and Slack enhances workflow automation and communication, ensuring a smooth and efficient development cycle. Whether it's a small startup building their first app or a large enterprise managing complex software projects, Trello provides the flexibility and visual clarity needed to keep development on track. Now, let's shift gears and step into the fast-paced world of event planning. From intimate gatherings to large-scale conferences, event planning involves managing a multitude of moving parts, coordinating with numerous vendors, and adhering to strict timelines. Trello offers event planners a powerful tool to organize every aspect of an event. Imagine a board for a specific event, with lists for venue scouting, catering, marketing and promotion, speaker management, ticketing, and on-site logistics. Each task, from securing a keynote speaker to finalizing the seating chart, can be represented as a card with assigned team members, deadlines, budget information, and vendor contact details. The visual nature of Trello allows event planners to see the entire event lifecycle at a glance, identify potential bottlenecks, and ensure all tasks are progressing smoothly. Collaboration with vendors and stakeholders can be facilitated by inviting them to specific boards, allowing for transparent communication and shared progress tracking. Whether it's a wedding planner meticulously organizing every detail or a corporate event team managing a major industry conference, Trello provides the structure and flexibility needed to bring even the most complex events to life. Beyond these core industries, the versatility of Trello extends to countless other sectors. Consider e-commerce businesses. They utilize Trello to manage product launches, track inventory, handle customer support inquiries, and coordinate marketing efforts. A board for a new product launch might include lists for product research, website updates, marketing materials, pre-orders, and post-launch analysis. Customer support teams can use Trello to track and prioritize incoming tickets, assign agents, and monitor resolution times. Educational institutions also find value in Trello for managing curriculum development, coordinating student projects, and organizing administrative tasks. Teachers can create boards for individual courses, with lists for assignments, readings, and discussion topics. Students can collaborate on group projects using shared boards to track progress and manage individual responsibilities. Even real estate agencies leverage Trello to manage property listings, track client interactions, schedule viewings, and coordinate paperwork. Each property can have its own card with relevant details, photos, and assigned agents. Lists can represent different stages of the sales process, from initial inquiry to closing. The beauty of Trello lies in its adaptability. It's not a rigid, one-size-fits-all solution. Businesses can customize boards, lists, and cards to perfectly align with their unique workflows and needs. The use of labels, due dates, checklists, and attachments allows for granular task management and information sharing. Power UPS, Trello's integrations with other popular apps, further enhance its functionality, connecting it with tools for automation, reporting, communication, and more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.